Oh, I don't know about this crow. Fucking hell.
Oh, fuck.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Melbrose episode.
That was fucking loud.
This is the Blind Deaf Challenge. We're missing Towny, he's an Indo. Say hi, Towny.
Samilga Kamu Black Bag Saya.
Usually as a third person, it's a blind, mute and deaf challenge. Am I talking really loudly?
It's like so fucking
Really?
loud.
This is a blind
Don't
deaf
speak up a
mute.
bit.
We're short of eggs, so we've DoorDashed a couple of eggs and we're going to ask the DoorDash driver if he wants to be involved and be our mute. What are we making, Alex?
A lemon meringue pie and a side of hot chocolate with whipped cream. Basically, we're making pie from scratch, and then we got to make meringue on top of that, all while impaired.
This is my idea of a very nice day out.
Busher has got the noise cancelling headphones on today and playing a few backing tracks. I obviously am blind with the Crystal Palace scarf and an Essendon scarf underneath. Probably going to be a bit of a shit show. I'm a bit nervous in the kitchen.
I got that shit show.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
We're evolving.
We don't have any signals.
Do we get into it now?
We just get into it. Next bit. I'll wash my hands off the stove.
We're cheating, we're not making our own pastry. If you watch the Amsterdam video, we can do it. We just don't think we have the expertise in our current state, do we?
Mm-mm.
Fuck, Crow, this looks awful, mate.
Doesn't. Beauty is on the inside. He's not even. Why am I? Beauty's on the inside, everyone, as we all know.
I'll put in some of those Friends TV show laughs. Because I won't be able to see what you said.
I'm gonna need them.
Driving.
DoorDash.
2 words. First word.
DoorDash driver.
We'll see him come in.
True.
We'll be organic, mate.
Yeah.
We need to toast this. We need to bake it. Let's make the filling.
Filling.
Sorry, I'm fondling all the pastry.
That's alright.
Oh, let's do the shot underneath.
Yeah.
Fuck no.
You can do front facing camera if you want to check it.
Wait, hang on, say
Oh,
that
you
again.
don't be able to. Selfie.
Your face.
Selfie.
Oh, selfie.
Under the, so you can see the shot.
Get it up and then... I'm sorry, I'm trying.
I know you are.
How
do I
you worry about
explain?
the angle?
Yeah, no. Oh, don't. You do.
No. No, I want to know. Come on, get in your head.
Selfie.
Oh, like front on?
Yeah, from underneath though, so we can see the shot.
It is underneath.
Don't worry. He's probably already doing it as well, so I'm just gonna look like a fucking idiot.
See, I might just have a look. Sorry.
No, you're right. He's looking at the
I'm
shot.
not using the selfie camera.
See? What did I say? Viewers, what did I say? I'm a genius. Yeah, go selfie camera.
Is that what you were thinking?
Yeah, that was what I was thinking.
Yes. If it's shit, we'll just do it later. Bop and Leona Lewis just came on. Alright. 1 cup of sugar. Can I go crazy? There's your sugar. It's 1 cup of sugar. Yeah, I could just smell my own BO. I'm putting some deodorant.
Yeah, I'm stinking as well. I'm smelling. Don't worry.
Alright.
I don't know whether to put it into the bowl or not, so I'm just gonna wait for our fearless leader to return, Kim Jong-un.
And I keep bleeding love. You cut me open.
We'll call that 1 and a bit. I didn't make the hole very big for you.
Do I amuse you?
I feel like I just should fucking care. You're doing well.
Ça plane pour moi. Ça plane pour moi. Ça plane pour moi, moi. Ça plane pour moi.
Wait, can you hear the music?
No, I'm singing to myself.
1.5 cups of water.
Oh, fuck.
You've been a good boy, I'll let you pour it in. Nice.
I'm trying to find the whipped cream. Keeps coming
Whoa, you
back
sensed
with
that.
water. Yeah.
Sorry.
My other senses are getting heightened. There's a car out the front.
Pardon? Is a guy at the front?
Whoa.
Nah.
Fuck.
You're right. I should.
I thought my senses were a bit. Oh, I just touched the iPad.
Nah. 2 lemons juiced.
Let's juice them.
You can do this one. Alright, hang on. I'll set you up. You're a bloody invalid at the moment. Fucking oath.
How's that going?
Oh, fuck. Oh, true. We need to put weights on it. This is the dilemma we had in Amsterdam.
Got no bacon weights.
Fuck, what do you reckon we could put?
Is there like a glass tray?
You could do a plate.
Not a plate.
A plate would work, wouldn't it? Is that what you said?
I don't think so.
You wouldn't?
But
Okay.
actually,
I've already stuck it in there.
let's do the plate. Do the plate.
No.
Do the plate.
We're not burning the house down for a few views, alright?
No. Plate good. Let's look
plate,
it up.
Like, it's made in fire.
Yeah, exactly. Is it gonna get?
I'll
Where's
put that on top.
Woosha? Woosha.
Yeah.
Google.
DoorDash.
Google.
You.
Google.
Huge.
G.
G.
Oh.
O. Good. Goog. All.
Google.
Sorry. In
No,
our
Google.
state, we've got it.
Turning to like basic
Okay.
English. I do feel a bit like Gordon Ramsay
Hang on,
with
I'm
the
just
tea towel over
funny
my.
at the moment.
Yeah, I'll shut up.
Okay.
I do feel like
You're right,
Gordon
keep going. Pardon? Cramping.
I feel like Gordon Ramsay with the tea towel. Anyway, it's alright. It was stupid. I didn't need to say it. What's next?
What's next?
Yeah.
Are you getting really frustrated with me? What's next? You've done fucking 1.5 lemons.
Oh, so we gotta do more lemon.
We gotta. Sorry, I'll take that tone out of my voice.
Yeah. More lemon?
Yeah, in there. Fuck, we're gonna have to zest some lemons.
Keep zesting.
Maybe we don't need any more zest in our videos.
New York City, you are now rapping with 50 Cent.
Ruby, come in. We're live.
Girl, it's easy to love me now.
Is it recording?
Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
How are you guys going?
It's actually going pretty well at the moment.
Really?
Yeah, wish I can't hear anything. He's like shouting.
Oh, you can't hear.
Nah.
Of course.
Pardon?
We put
You annoy me so much.
I'm sober.
You're so annoying.
What's going on?
We only humans, girl, we make mistakes. To make it up, I do whatever it takes. I love you like a fat kid love cake.
Hang on. Is that Uber Eats driver?
Pardon? Driver? Alright, I'll check.
I think I just heard a bike pull up.
No.
Trying to be
Really?
like Daredevil.
Now we put the wet with the dry.
Do I need a...
Okay, yeah. Read my mind. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. We don't want to turn this into the meringue.
No.
Oh, the thing!
Is the plate fucked?
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
Is the plate alright?
It'll be fine.
I don't know why I care about the plate.
So we need to put this on the stove. Okay, now we need to place egg yolks in a small bowl and gradually whisk. It is so hot in here.
Is it noticeably sweating?
Are you sweating?
Yeah, I'm sweating.
Same, bro. We've got 5 eggs, we need 6, which is why the DoorDash driver is coming. But we've got 4 eggs for the mixture,
What are you doing?
and then 2 eggs
What
for
shorts are
They're
the
nice
meringue.
short, my Nike shorts.
Baby, I got your number. Oh, and I know that you got mine.
Bush, you can't use any of this footage.
You know that I called you. I called too many times.
I feel like I'm being violated.
But I'm too old to go chasing you around. Wasting my precious energy.
How long do we have to do pastry for?
Pastry,
How long for?
Yep. Show the camera what we're working with. Oh, that's of course hot.
He's here.
Corey, come here.
He's here. DoorDash.
Is he here?
Yeah.
Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm.
You're gonna have to step over a rope. And your other one. Nice. Hey, man.
Hello. We're filming.
Sorry.
We're filming a video. If you'd like to join.
Ooh, sorry. Go, talk.
Hello. If you'd like to, we're filming a video. If you would like to, thank you.
Oh, hey, no, bro, hey, do you want to be part of a video?
All good.
That's okay, you got shit to do, no worries.
I got good feelings. I got good feelings.
We got the eggs.
We're going to put the eggs and sugar in with the lemon mixture.
Is it yellow now?
Pardon?
Yellow.
Get going.
Yellow.
Get along.
Yellow.
Get nut. V. N.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Simpsons.
Get-
Yellow.
Le. I-E. V.
Close.
W. U. That's a V, bruh.
Why?
Y.
Yeah. Yellow.
Y. E. L. L. O. Yellow?
Is the mixture yellow?
Yellow. What with yellow?
Is the mixture yellow?
Ah, yeah, it is actually.
Melbrose fan, if anyone's got anything that they'd really like to see, let us know. It's just me and Woosha for a little while. The big fella is off on a journey, which you'll see soon enough. I feel bad. Woosha seems like he's stressed.
So I think what we need is stiff peaks.
Always reminds me of, is it Jimmy Neutron's hair?
There is crazy thought, like, the first person to just like whisk something really quickly, like holy shit, now it's like
Yeah.
formed something.
Yeah.
You know, like now it's changed its texture.
Yeah. That's a good point, actually. I'm going to stand against the fridge just to be safe.
Yeah, say that. Here, boy. This is.
Why don't you act like a dog on camera?
All true. Bring the rhyme.
I make a meal for my friends, try to make it delicious, try to keep it nutritious, create wonderful dishes. Not one of them thinks about the way I feel. Nobody compliments the meal.
I got good feelings. I got good feelings.
I feel like a prize asshole. No one even mentions my casserole.
I got good feelings. I got good feelings.
You could have said something nice about my professor role.
Do you like a hot chocolate? We're making hot chocolate.
Yay!
Truce! What is that? Truce! Truce! Other.
So I need to do that thing where we make him touch things.
True.
Touch
Any guesses?
things.
Or he just touches them.
What?
Lemon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.
Oh, what is that? What is that? What was that?
I've spilt milk.
What the fuck is that?
Sense it.
I'm sensing it.
Sense it. Which one's
What the F?
Did I get it?
unbelievable?
It's a bit cold, but wasn't exactly the hot chocolate I was expecting.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
You want to check the meringue?
Yeah.
How are you gonna check it?
Good morning.
Why?
I feel like someone's about to do something.
Push.
Don't.
But why, Karen?
I thought someone was going to do something. I thought you meant to fuck with me.
I was moving the camera. That would have been scary though. Just
Yeah, I was like
hearing
waiting
sound.
for it.
Yeah. Hey, you get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up her bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got 2 foreign hoes, they DM me. Draw at the top when it's cold, but you feel the heat.
Fuck.
Does it look good?
It's gone a bit milky. Hey, we didn't whip it enough, bro.
Whip the what?
The milk.
What milk? When did we whip milk?
That's just milky on the sides.
Milky on the side. What?
Yeah, it's just milky.
Why is it? What do you mean milk?
My life is brilliant.
Wow! It's so bright.
Hello.
Sup? Oh, it's still late. Hey, bro.
This looks incredible.
I
It's
know.
insane. But
We
don't you think
made
it
this.
looks like pita bread and like a cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Just completely lost the meringue. It's nice though.
Yeah, it does. Where did the meringue go though?
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Oh my god, yum.
tastes pretty good.
Yum. Yum, yum, yum.
11 out of 10.
Oh.
Wish we were gaming enough to do like the Matt Preston drop.
That is disgusting. Disgustingly good.
I don't think we really need to do an outro, do
No.
we? Like and subscribe.
Done.